Hello, I figured I'd create a nice little lesson showing you guys how to configure an access port and how to also configure 802.1q, which we went over a few videos back. So let's start with how to configure an access port. Remember, an access port is a VLAN that is attached to a single port. So for instance, we're going to go here. Oh, move this. Config T. We're going to state the port that the computer is plugged into, which is FA02, that the switch is actually plugged into, excuse me. So we write the port that the computer is plugged into, which is FA02. Port access, switch port access, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 2. Let's use VLAN 2 for the sake of simplicity. Yeah, let's change this VLAN and we put VLAN 3 here. Yeah, so let's do VLAN 2. Okay, now it says access VLAN does not exist. That it's telling us that because we haven't created the VLAN. So I bet it's still creating it, but we still need to do it ourselves. So let's create it now. VLAN 2. This is how you create a VLAN. You write the number of the VLAN and then name. Let's name it. Let's name it CCNA. CCNA. Exit. Now, how do we verify our VLAN? Show VLAN. And where is our VLAN that we just created? It's right here. It's attached to FA02. And the name of the VLAN that we just created, its name is CCNA. Now, that is how you create an access port. Thank you, guys. So today, let's go over trunking 802.1q. So I don't know if you guys remember, but in a few lessons back, I broke down what is 802.1q trunking. So for those of us who don't know, trunking is used for multiple VLANs to traverse one single trunk. And when I mean one single trunk, I mean this cable right here. You have multiple VLANs going back and forth, tagging each other. And when I mean tagging, I mean it's tagging what VLAN it wants to go to. So in this lesson, we're going to show you guys, and we're going to also learn how to configure two switches with 802.1q. Let's start with this one first. We're going to do the same thing to both interfaces, not just this one, but both. Notice how the interfaces automatically go up. So we have both of these interfaces going up. Now we're going to do the same thing that we did on this switch. We're going to do it here. Because if we do it just here and here, the VLANs can't really traverse. Multiple VLANs can't go back and forth. So let's do it here. Do the same thing on FA02. Okay. So in order for us to make sure that our configs are right after each command, we could do a command called show interfaces trunk, and we're going to see right now show interfaces trunk on switch 1. So we have FA01, 2, and 3 allowed on the trunk. VLANs allowed on active management domain 1, 4, and 5. So that means that all of our ports are trunked. Now let's check it on this side. Show interfaces trunk. So we have FA01 and FA02, the trunking. So that means that we did what we had to do here. All of our ports are now trunking and all of our VLANs are traversing back and forth. Thank you for watching, y'all.